all what we eat is filled of pesticides.
How clean our food actually is.
So we've got cherry tomatoes and almonds.
Now we're just gonna let them sit for a few minutes.
Okay,
So
ready?
you wanna pour it out first?
Okay, yeah. Nothing happened though.
Nothing happened. That's the regular one.
That's the regular, yeah, that's the regular
Okay,
water.
let's try the ionized. All right, it's yellow. Okay, for yours. But it's a bit cloudy. There's some. Been sitting in it for
Look
about
at the
3 or 4
difference.
minutes only.
That's insane.
You cannot dissolve them with the regular water. They are oil-based, they are meant to stick. Regular water is acidic, so cannot remove the pesticides.
Regular water right here, and on Cyrus's side,
Ionized water. Sesame oil?
yeah, sesame oil.
Perfect, yeah.
We're going to pour the water.
Oh,
What's that? No,
oh wow.
he's cheating. He's a cheater.
With normal water, it's not supposed to mix. When you drink regular water, exactly what happened in this cup, it will happen in your body. The oil is the cholesterol, the pesticides, the chemicals that you have in your body already, on your blood vessel walls and on your colon. When you come with, it's ionized from Japan, magic is happening. So you see the water will come and will start dissolving all that pesticides, all that cholesterol that's accumulated in your body.